Is your iPhone getting so hot after the iOS 26.5 update that you can barely touch the screen? You're definitely not the only one. A lot of iPhone users started noticing overheating, fast battery drain, lagging, and even charging issues right after updating to iOS 26.5. The good news is, in most cases, this is temporary and can be fixed. Right after a major iOS update, your iPhone starts doing a lot of heavy work in the background. It reindexes files for Spotlight search, scans your photo library again for AI and search features, rebuilds system databases, and optimizes apps for the new software. At the same time, many apps on your phone may also be updating in the background for iOS 26.5 compatibility. All of this puts extra pressure on the processor, which can make your iPhone feel unusually hot for the first few hours, or even a couple of days after the update. If your iPhone only started heating up recently after updating, give it around 24 to 48 hours to finish these background tasks. During that time, try not to use heavy apps like gaming, video editing, or long streaming sessions. Now, if your iPhone is still overheating badly after 2 days, here are the best fixes to try. First, do a force restart. This helps clear temporary software glitches that may have happened during the update process. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone turns back on, check if the temperature improves. Next, check which app is draining your battery and overheating your phone. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Scroll down and look at battery usage by app. If you notice one app using an unusually high percentage of battery in the background, that app could be causing the overheating issue. Try updating the app from the App Store. If it still causes problems, temporarily delete the app and see if your iPhone cools down. Another helpful fix is resetting all settings. This will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard settings, and permissions. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll all the way to choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. Many users noticed this helped reduce overheating after the update. Also, pay attention while charging. If your iPhone gets extremely hot during charging, unplug it for a while and let it cool down. Try avoiding gaming, FaceTime, or watching videos while charging because that creates even more heat. Using low-quality chargers can also make overheating worse, so make sure you're using a trusted charger and cable. Another thing to check is app updates. Open the App Store and update all your apps. Some older apps may not be fully optimized for iOS 26.5 yet, and that can cause overheating in the background. And if you recently updated from an older iOS version, your iPhone may simply need more time to stabilize. But if you start seeing the temperature warning screen on your iPhone, or the phone stays extremely hot for more than a week, there could be a hardware problem or battery health issue. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for a proper diagnosis. Hopefully, one of these fixes helped cool down your iPhone after the iOS 26.5 update. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below how hot your iPhone got after updating.